Today we have a video from Body Cam Boss, and the title of the video is Evil Mother Gets Family Kicked Out of Shelter After Attacking Employees.
On January 10th, 2026, officers responded to a woman's shelter for a call of a woman attacking an employee.
How you doing, sir?
What's going on?
I'm a shelter advocate here. I mean, we have a client. She's had me pretty bad. And, she came in and I asked her what was going on because she had an issue with another client earlier. So I said, sorry, I got a cold. That's what's going on. Right away, she started blowing up, kicked the door, slammed it, started throwing stuff in the kitchen, tried to attack the other woman that's working back there. So, that's about it. I called my supervisor, she said, call the police. So,
Okay, what's this thing that you guys were detaining her? What's that?
detaining her?
Yeah, that's what the dispatch was
That was
telling me.
that other client called, no one's detaining her, she can come and go if she pleases.
Okay, so what do you want done with her?
Trespassed off that, but she gotta go.
Is she the one with the kids, or?
Yeah.
Okay. A ton of stuff in there, too?
Yeah. Easy day.
Yes, of course. Well, hi, oh my God, thank you so much for coming, because I have been waiting for you guys. Okay, what did you so much I appreciate it.
So I don't know what happened between you and the worker. We're just hearing, we're listening to you right now, but we're also listening to him. So there's his supervisor.
Him who?
The guy that works here, the guy that called us here.
Oh my God.
So anyways,
Damn photo he is. Okay.
his supervisor said that they want you to go, that you have to leave, and we have to trespass you from here. Okay?
Man. Okay, so I can leave?
You're gonna have to leave. So I mean, and you have your children with you, right?
See.
So what's your living situation at home?
Pues what I no sé. Obviously, well, this is what I have.
Where were you staying?
You know where we're staying in Deming before this? So, see.
What about family? Do you have any family?
I don't. My family are like so. They don't want us there.
You mean your family's they live across from McDonald's, right?
Yeah, I know
Yes.
they do, but they don't not want us there. They don't even have my niece there.
So if you having problems with finding places to stay and you can't stay with family and you really have no other options, does it make sense to cause issues at the only place that is an option? That does not make sense to me. If this is a place that I have to rely on for whatever reason, I'm not gonna be causing any issues. You won't even know I'm there. You not even gonna hear me. Boop, 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 boop. Go in and out, do whatever. I will not cause an issue. But sometimes these things don't click in some of these people's head. If this is the only option, why would you mess up why would you burn the only bridge that you have?
I'm gonna talk to this dude. Hi, ma'am. So this is our tour of the police department. So what's your title here?
I'm the shelter director.
Okay, ma'am. So, I mean, your employee here. He told us a little bit about what happened. Of course, we're over there talking to her, and she's definitely intoxicated.
Okay.
I have dealt with her outside of this facility before.
Okay.
Okay, I know about the spin, but aside from that, do you have any other resources for someone that you guys want out of here? I mean, because my concern's not even her, it's the children. So I mean.
Right. So I do know that she has some family, and usually the kids go after school to somebody's house there on Kimberly, and I don't know if that's something that she can go to at the moment as well. So the Sierra House is the only other place, and Span, of course, and whoever her friend is on Kimberly.
Is this something that we could have a good talking with her, and if she acts up again, because we get dispatched to verbal situations all the time. I mean, you know,
Right.
and I mean.
So no, because of what James had reported to me, our protocol is for the police to go in and remove her from the building.
Okay. I tried talking to the shelter director, not just the guy that works here today, and they want you to get your stuff and go. So you can. They said you have a family or somebody on Kimberly, and then also your family on PA Street or Pino Salto Street.
Ben, no,
Can I help you?
I just wondering if she's okay.
Yeah, she's okay. We're talking to her right now, so give us a second, okay?
No, yeah, I know. I was just because of her sons.
Yeah.
In my room.
Come on, boys, let's go.
I wanted to make sure she was okay.
Yeah, she's fine.
Hey, it's okay. Just finish talking.
No, just
So hey, listen to me.
It's okay.
You obviously okay.
Just finish talking.
Obviously,
Your boys are. Your boys are.
don't place your boys in a situation, okay?
Listen.
So let's start getting your stuff together.
Sorry, I didn't mean that.
It's okay. Can you go and we'll watch them if you can watch them for us?
No, yeah.
Hey, come here. Come here real quick.
No, wait. Come on, boys, let's go. See? Here are my boys. Where the f*** I'm gonna go? Leave without my
We didn't say that. We're trying to help you find a
Okay,
place.
well then don't do shit like that. Let's go. Again, I'm gonna put. Can I introduce? Let's go.
Well, go ahead.
Bea, hey, give it to me. Just finish talking, okay? I promise.
Can you please start packing your stuff? Can you please start packing your stuff? Can you start go packing your stuff?
Just listen.
See?
Can you start listen to me? Hey, come on.
Break these two up. I get it. She's trying to help, but she's not helping. Things only escalated when she came. Break these two up, man. Get your shit. Get out.
Hey, pay attention.
Why are you yelling?
Can you start packing your stuff so we can find a place for you to go, or you're gonna go to jail.
Can we talk to him? Because he's more calmer.
There's nothing about being calm. We've already asked her several times. We're trying to be nice. I tried to see if she could stay here, but it's not my job. It's time for her to start packing.
No, I understand. I understand. I promise.
Because we asked.
Then shut up and go. Get.
Several times, and now we're gonna make her. So I mean, that's just the way it is. And we don't want a restaurant in front of our children. But I mean, if that's what she pushes the issue. I'm not frustrated.
It's okay. That's why I'm just asking if we could talk to him.
It's not gonna make any difference.
No, I know it's not gonna be no different. But he's more calmer.
Hey, we gotta get your stuff. We gotta go.
Because I'm telling you, with the woman, if you feel somebody's getting aggravated, frustrated.
All right, let's leave her. Come on.
Very nice. And then
Dismiss her. Go.
What happens?
No, you don't.
No, you start packing your stuff, or you're gonna go to jail. Plain and simple.
You don't tell us what to do.
Exactly.
I don't give a fuck.
Hey,
But if
you're
anything,
gonna get your stuff and you're gonna go. We're not gonna tell you anymore.
well, okay,
So
but
let's go.
I just don't want.
Let's go.
This one here.
Let's go. It doesn't matter what you
Vete,
want.
ándale, pues. Que this is kind of. Just don't look at me. Don't even side at me. Just stop. Like back the. Like back.
Get your stuff up.
No,
You're
I
5 seconds from going to jail. Start packing your shit.
Ándale, pues. How cute. Bien.
Hey, let's go.
Let's go.
We're not gonna tell you anymore.
No. You know what? You can fucking kick my fucking ass. You told me to fucking pack the fuck up from.
Then start packing.
Well, what do you think I'm doing?
Standing around being stupid.
Why are you looking at the more than you looking at me? Oh, come on now.
That's it. Turn around. Place your hands behind your back. Place your hands behind your back.
Fuck you down. Stop it.
What is this?
You're under arrest. You're under
What is
arrest.
this?
You're under arrest.
In front of my son?
You're under arrest.
You're doing this to yourself because you don't want to further this.
You're under arrest.
Get your back. It's okay.
Cheryl, come record this shit.
Already recorded by all of us.
Let's try to find out when we can get these kids safely.
Ven, ándale pues.
No, let's go. Let's go. Go.
Start walking.
Go.
Vente.
Go. Come on, listen.
Man, tell me where I go. This here, yeah, of course. And that this one here, yeah, of course. And you fucking. Oh, how cute.
Okay.
Let my hands go, you stupid ass motherfucker. I'm gonna give my fucking 10 cents.
You touch me, I swear you can't pick up another charge.
You better watch out because my baby daddy.
Yeah, we really give a shit.
No.
You? Well then, fuck you.
The woman was charged with battery and resisting arrest, as well as trespassed from the property. Thanks for watching.
Sad. Feel bad for the kids, especially the older boy right there. You know what I'm saying? He's next up. He's old enough to know what's going on, and the life that his mother has provided for him so far, it's filled with turmoil. You know what I mean? It's sad, man. And then he's gonna have to beat so many odds in order to come out on the other side and be a decent member of society, man, because he's growing up seeing this and sad, man, sad. And then apparently the baby father is whatever, you know what I mean, because she's like, oh yeah, cause my baby father whatever. So he probably a piece of crap too, you know what I mean? It's just, and it got to be really bad if none of your family want to take you in. Before turning to a shelter, you know, sometimes family will help you out, you know what I mean? And it's so bad that you're getting kicked out of the shelter and you can't even go with your family. That means you got to be a real piece of crap. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.